Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest gadgets and accessories. I'm your host, and today we're delving into the world of thermal paste with the Arctic MX-6 Ultimate Performance Thermal Paste. We'll uncover what makes this thermal paste stand out, how it can benefit your PC setup, and much more. Stick around because this small yet crucial component can make a big difference in your system's performance. Before we dive into the details, let's highlight some of the key features that set the Arctic MX-6 apart from the competition. First off, this thermal paste promises a 20% improvement in performance compared to its predecessor, the MX-4. We'll delve deeper into what this means shortly. With over 2 decades of experience in the PC cooling market, Arctic is a trusted name when it comes to thermal solutions. Their MX-6 is the result of years of development and optimization, aiming to deliver top-notch performance. One of the critical concerns with thermal paste is its electrical properties. The MX-6 is neither electrically conductive nor capacitive, eliminating the risk of short circuits or discharges that could damage your precious components. Whether you're assembling a gaming rig or fine-tuning a console, the MX-6's versatile composition makes it suitable for various application scenarios. It's not just for CPUs, it's also excellent for GPUs on graphics cards and console processors. Worried about counterfeit products? Arctic has you covered with their authenticity check, ensuring you receive the genuine MX-6 for optimal performance and reliability. Now, let's talk about the MX-6's design and build. It's a carbon filler-based thermal paste designed for maximum performance without the need for extravagant ingredients like diamond dust or precious metals. The silicone gel used as a carrier ensures even distribution, which is crucial for efficient heat transfer when mounting heat sinks. When we say the MX-6 offers 20% better performance, we're talking about its significantly lower thermal resistance compared to the MX-4. This translates to improved heat transfer, ensuring your CPU or GPU operates at optimal temperatures. Arctic's expertise in the PC cooling market shines through with the MX-6. It's built on the foundation of the MX-4, focusing on versatility and ease of use. You can trust this thermal paste for consistent, long-term performance. Whether you're building a high-end gaming PC or fine-tuning a console, the MX-6 has you covered. Its non-drying, non-bleeding properties make it a reliable choice for various applications. Plus, its viscosity prevents leakage, even in direct dye cooling scenarios. No need to worry about counterfeit products here. The Arctic Authenticity Check ensures that every tube of MX-6 is genuine, delivering the performance and durability you expect from Arctic. Applying the MX-6 is a breeze. It's neither electrically conductive nor capacitive, eliminating the risk of damage to your components. Plus, it's free of liquid metal components that can cause discoloration and corrosion. The MX-6 is available in various package sizes, from 2 to 8 grams. Resealable syringes keep the paste fresh, and you can even opt for variants that include MX Cleaner for hassle-free contact surface cleaning. In conclusion, the Arctic MX-6 Ultimate Performance Thermal Paste is a small investment that can yield significant improvements in your PC's thermal performance. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or just getting started, choosing the right thermal paste can make a world of difference. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Remember, even the smallest components can have a big impact on your tech setup. Until next time, stay cool, stay connected, and keep exploring with Product Critique.